At Domino, our customers are seeing an increasing role for print and apply labeling for some pretty compelling market reasons. Increased use of new packaging options, like bag-in-a-box and tray packs, new requirements for security and regulatory compliance, and consumer demand for individual product details. Fortunately, Domino customers already have a trusted partner on hand to meet those demands. While you may already be aware of our industry-leading inkjet and laser offerings, it's good to know Domino also has decades of experience and expertise in print and apply labeling, and is a global market leader in labeling automation technology advancements. Domino is known for having met the stringent requirements of the pharmaceutical and life science labeling markets, and brings that same attention to detail and efficiency to the food and beverage packaging world. Not only can Domino supply the right configuration for the right solution, our support services provide on-site assistance and rapid remote support, including Safeguard AR, to keep everything running smoothly. Whether the surface is cardboard, paperboard, corrugate, wood, plastic, stretch wrap, overwraps, or PET, Domino has an efficient method to code, mark, inform, brand, or provide critical information to consumers. The answer to your complex labeling needs may be as simple as Domino. We welcome your challenges.